Dear learners and viewers, welcome back once again to virtual platform of the Urgam High School. May peace, mercy and blessing of Almighty be upon you all. I hope you are hale and hearty by the grace of Almighty. I am also fine, and I hope you are having very good time at your home. I would like to thank our Almighty Creator for keeping us very well in this pandemic situation. Actually, we are going through such a panic situation that cannot be described in a word. But for the help of technology, we are able to continue our teaching learning activities. So, due to continuous spreading of coronavirus, we have to continue our class. That's why I am standing before you to give a little bit gist of my previous lively, joyous and fruitful classes, as well as I also want to take another new class. So get ready. Due to time limitation, I will discuss some important part of our today's topics. Actually, our today's topic is absolutely new topics. As you know, I discussed in my previous class about completing sentence, but today I am going to start another topics. Our today's topic is articles. Have you noticed, my dear learners? Okay, articles. What are the articles? It is very easy to say. Articles are A and D. A and D, the three letters are called articles. Have you got the point? Okay. In other words, we can say articles are the words which define noun specific or unspecific. Specific or unspecific. Okay. And before going to discuss articles, it is very important to know about the alphabet. Do you know, my dear students, what is the alphabet? Alphabet are consisted of letters in English language from A to Z. There are 26 letters. They are altogether called alphabet. Okay? In alphabet, there are two types of letters. That means alphabet is divided into two parts. I think you have a better idea in this regard, but I am telling you to get more conception about this alphabet. What are the two parts? Vowel and consonant. Vowel and consonant. How many vowels are in the alphabet? There are only 5. Vowels are only 5. Can you tell me what are they? Obviously, most of them know what are the vowels. But I also repeat to remind you. The vowels are A, N, A, E, I, O, U. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. The only 5 letters are called vowel. Except this, there is also another vowels. These are called semi-vowel. How many semi-vowels? There are 2 semi-vowels. What are they? Do you know that? These are Y and W. What are they? Y and W. Why are they called semi-vowel? Because these are used. Okay, semi-vowels. You have got the idea about the semi-vowel. How many semi-vowel? There are 2 semi-vowel Y and W. Actually, they are used, sometimes they are used as a vowel, sometimes they are used as a consonant. So they are called semi-vowel. Okay, actually it is very important to know about the alphabet and its classification to use articles in the sentence. Now we go to the main lesson. I am going to discuss the main lesson. Before making you understand about the using of articles, I would like to make you understand about the articles, where the articles are used. I repeat, before making you understand about the articles, I would like to make you understand where the articles are used or where the articles are not used. We have to know first of all where the article is used or where the articles are not used. Then I will discuss the another part, which one article is where to use. At first we have to know the place where article is used, where are not used. In this regard, you have noticed that I have written down some sentences for getting clear conception about the article is used or not. First one is, she is dash good at English. Okay? Now you have to, you noticed that she is, after this word is a dash, then a word good. Good, what kind of parts of speech is good? Can you tell me, dear students? Good is obviously adjective. What type of parts of speech? Adjective. Before adjective, article is not used. Okay? But there is a condition. What are the condition? If you find after the adjective a preposition, then article will not be used before the adjective. Here is a preposition. That means if you find after the preposition noun, but you have no used articles before the adjective. In clearly I can say, if you find any preposition after the adjective, you cannot use any articles before the adjective. So this is the main condition. If there is no preposition, you have to use article. If you find any preposition between adjective and noun, you cannot use article before the adjective. I think you have get the point clearly. Now we go to the Sentence number 2. She is a good dash girl. Where the dash is before the noun. According to the definition, it is supposed to use articles before the noun, because we have already studied that articles are the words which define the noun specific or unspecific. But here is a noun and we are not used. We do not use any article before the noun. What are the reason? Reason is that if you find any dash between the adjective and the noun, you have no chance to use article in this dash. Okay? Clear? If you find any gap between adjective and the noun, you cannot use any article in this dash. Now we go to the third one. He is dash my brother. Have a look, my dear students. Here is no article. Why? We are not able to use any article in this gap. What is the cause? You have to identify the after words. Dash after words. What type of words it is? Do you know that? My, it is a possessive adjective. What type of adjective? Possessive adjective. You know there are so many possessive forms such as my, our, their, his, her. My, our, their, his, her. These are possessive adjective. If you find any dash before the possessive adjective, you have no chance to use any article in this dash. Okay? She is dash my brother. Why we are not able to use any articles in this dash? Because there is a possessive adjective. According to the rules, if you find any dash before the possessive adjective, you have no power to use any articles in this dash. Okay, now we go to the sentence number 4. He is my dash brother. Okay, my dear learners, he is my dash brother. Dash is before the noun, but we have not used any articles in this dash. What is the reasons? Actually, it is supposed to use article before the noun, but here is a noun. We cannot use any article in this dash. Reason is that here is also possessive adjective. That means before the possessive adjective and after the possessive adjective, article is not used. Bear in mind, before the possessive adjective and after the possessive adjective, article is not used. Okay? Now we go to the number 5th. Dash Redwan is a student. Here is also similar case. Here is noun, but there is no article. Why? What type of noun it is? Redwan is a proper noun. What type of noun? Proper noun. Your name also proper noun. My name also proper noun. Proper noun is the words which indicates personal, things, place, etc. That means Redwan, Jafar, Hamid, Dhaka, Bangladesh, these all are proper noun. Okay, it is absolutely true that if you find any proper noun, you are not able to use any article before the proper noun. Okay, I think you have get the point clearly. Next one, so we have to use next one. Water is very essential for us. Water is very essential for us. Here also a noun, water. What type of noun? Water. Do you know that noun is divided into 4 categories? Proper noun, common noun, material noun, and abstract noun. Okay. Water. Water is material noun. Before any type of material noun, article is not used. So there is no article. But in the number 7, the water of this glass is pure. As I earlier said, if you find any material noun, you are not able to use any article before the material noun. But here is a used article before the material noun. What is the reason? Reason is that if you find preposition of after the material noun, you have a better chance to use article before the material noun. So I have used article before the material noun because there is a preposition of. Okay, now we go to the number 8. I want freedom in my life. I want freedom in my life. Actually, this is another technique. When you find any dash, you have to identify the words after the dash. What type of words it is? It is a noun. What kind of noun it is? Freedom. You know, mainly noun is divided into 2 categories. One is concrete noun, another is abstract noun. Concrete nouns are there which has physical existence, and it can be touched, it can be seen, it can be smelled. Okay. On the other hand, abstract noun is such type of noun that cannot be touched, that cannot be seen, that cannot be tasted, that cannot be smelled. Only we can imagine or feel. Only we can imagine or feel. Suppose this is a pen. It is a concrete noun because we can touch it, we can use it, we can see it. But freedom, that means independence, independency, free will, we cannot see it, but imagine and feel. So it is a abstract noun. Now we can come to confirm that before any type of abstract noun, no article will be used. Abstract noun, here there is a dash. So before abstract noun there is a dash, we cannot use any articles. Understand? And also many type of abstract nouns such as honesty, truthfulness, kindness, etc., that we cannot see, touch, test, only we have to feel or imagine. Okay? Now the sentence number 9. The freedom of using phone in the class should be avoided. Just before I said, if you find any abstract noun, you are not able to use any article before the abstract noun. But here I have used article. What is the reason? Reason is also I have shown you in question number 7. Here is a material noun and after the of. There is an abstract noun after the of. So if you find preposition of after the material noun or freedom or abstract noun, you have a better chance to use article before this noun. Okay. Now we go to the number 10. She speaks dash English. You know, English is a name of language. Before any kind of language, article is not used. So you have to use cross. Number 11. Friday is our holiday. Here is a dress before Friday. What is Friday? Friday is the name of days. Friday is the name of days. Any kind of name of days before the any kind of name of days article is not used. So we cannot use any article before the Friday, such as Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Similarly, we also cannot use any articles before the name of month, such as January, February, etc. December. We are not able to use before the name of month any articles or name of days. Have you got the point, my dear learners? And the next one, he has been suffering from dash fever for 3 days. Okay? Dash fever for 3 days. Here is a dash. Where is dash? Dash is before the name of disease. As you know, before the any name of disease, we cannot use any article. Exceptional 3 name of disease such as the measles, the gout, the mumps. If you find 3 type of disease, you have to use articles. Otherwise, you are not able to use any articles before the name of disease. Okay, this is the last one. I have dash breakfast at 9. Where is dash? Dash is before the breakfast. What do we mean breakfast? Breakfast is the name of meal. You know, there are such a meal such as breakfast, lunch, supper, dinner, etc. Before any kind of name of meal, you have no chance to use any article. Okay, that's all. I would like to discuss more and more, but time does not permit me to elaborate my class. So I have to finish my class. Before finish my class, I would like to say that you have to practice more and more as a part of your study, and don't mix with any other drug addicted person. Don't forget to work hard with your study, and always keep in mind that you have to obey your parents, what they tell, what they order you, what they say, and you have to follow the rules and regulation of religious, so that you can get the better path to become a successful. Express this optimism. I like to end my session, and I will catch you in the next class. Till then, take care. See you again. Bye bye.